Hello everyone. First of all, we would like to introduce our group members. Our group members consist of 3 people. I am Divyaa and my 2 other fellow group mates, Yogatariseni and Rubbini. Before we continue to example, let's see the definition of Gaussion elimination method. In mathematics, the Gaussion elimination method is known as the row reduction algorithm for solving linear equation system. It consists of a sequence of operations performed on the corresponding matrix of coefficients. That's all about the definition. Before we go further about Gaussion elimination, let's have a look about how we want to change linear equation to augmented matrix. Below is the example of linear equation. For changing linear equation to matrix, we just to take the number in front of variable. To solve the augmented matrix using Gaussion elimination is to convert the augmented matrix to row echelon form and then do the back substitution. What we do mean by row echelon form? This is the one example of row echelon form. There are 2 rules to change a linear equation to row echelon form using Gaussion elimination method. To change the main diagonal to 1, we have to divide the row that we want to change with the number we want to change. For changing 0, we have to subtracting the row that want to change with the up row and then multiple with the number want to change to get the new element which is 0. Let's look at an example question. So now we're going to solve this linear equation by using Gaussion elimination method. The first step is we have to change the linear equation to augmented matrix. The second step is we have to change element in column 1, row 1 to 1. But here, since the element is already 1, no changes. Step 3. Change element in column 1, row 2 to 0. So, here we are going to change number 2 to 0. For changing number 2 to 0, we have to use the rule which is row number 2 subtract with row number 1 multiple with number 2. For your kind information, the operation must also consider the element in other column in the same row. Therefore, we show an example on how to change it. The same step we're going to use to change element in column 1, row 3 to 0. But don't forget that the operation must also consider the elements in other column in the same row. So, here the output after change the second and third row. But it's still not complete yet. Step 4. Change element in column 2, row 2 to 1. For this, we have to use another rule which is row number 2 divided by -5. Step 5. Change element in column 2, row 2 to 0. For that, we have to subtract row number 3 with row number 2 multiple with 4. This is the last step for this part, which is change element in column 3, row 3 to 1. For that, we have to divide row number 3 with number 6. Step 7. The augmented matrix has been converted to row echelon form. Now, convert the augmented matrix to linear equation system for find the value of A, B and C. Since we already know the value of C, which is C equals to -3. Now we are going to find value of B by substitute C equals to -3 into equation 2. Now we already know the value of B, which is B equals to -4. So now how about the value A? To get value A, we have to substitute C equals to negative 3 and B equals to negative 4 into first equation. Finally, we got find the value of A, B and C, which is A equals to 2, B equals to negative 4 and C equals to negative 3. That's all from us. Thank you and bye.